Sometimes you may need to apply the same material to several objects. This process can turn into a nightmare if you have to apply it onto many objects one by one. Fortunately, the app offers a handy solution for this. Here's what you can do. 1. Open 3D View, Inspector, Objects Material tab, and the App Library, Project Tree tab. 2. Select the necessary items in 3D View using the Multi-Select or simply select them in the project tree. 3. All materials of the selected items will be shown in the Object Material tab of Inspector. Use Multi-Select or the Context menu. Select Identical option to select the necessary items. 4. Open the Objects Material tab of the library. Then drag and drop the material you like to the selected items in the Object Materials tab of the Inspector. It will be applied to all of them at once. Once you master this technique, applying materials will become really fast and easy for you.